Hello, welcome to So What You Like. I'm your girl Mari Mills, and I thank you so much for tuning in to my first ever YouTube video. Thank you. You don't know how grateful I am. So I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for quite a while, and I finally mustered up the strength to go ahead and record my first video. Also, I had some motivation from some close family members and important people in my life, so here I am. I would really appreciate it if you would follow me on my sewing or creative journey, I should say, because I do other things besides sewing, but that is mainly of what I do. And I'm just so excited for what's in store. I really hope that you would join me in future videos. Right. So, anyways, stay tuned for my next video that'll be dropping very soon. Okay? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace and blessings.